YouTube, what's going on, everybody? Let's figure out how to make delicious burgers. I went ahead and dropped the recipe in the description below. If you are with me, please drop some comments so I know that you are alive. If you're feeling the vibe, let's go. Super excited. We got some fun stuff for you guys. Without further ado, Jose, hit us with a little bit of easing on in.
Chef, we're ready.
When I eat a burger, I close my eyes like a shark. Like a shark. And like a second set of eyelids open, and I don't breathe. I'm like,
It's okay, little burger. You're gonna be delicious.
All right. If that doesn't get you excited about cheeseburgers, I don't know what will. All right, guys, so it's cheeseburger time. I'm a pretty purist and simple dude when it comes to burgers. For me, it's all about the meat. Beef, in this case. There's no real recipe for a burger, let's be honest. We're not gonna discuss buns too much, it's your preference. Cheese, same kind of thing, you guys can use any cheese. I have my master pickle recipe, and we're gonna make some pickles. For me, that's the real deal. So you got bun, you got burger, AKA patty, some sort of sauce. For me, it's not ketchup. Ketchup belongs in like the trash. I do a special sauce. Secret, guys. It's really just spicy mayo. I like a nice fatty patty. Flavor of beef to shine through. Let's get a really good grind of beef, or you can grind your own. This super delicious whole muscle grind. I'm looking for an 80-20 on my meat grind. That means 80% lean. That's 20% fat, right? Let's grind. So that was a little, a little something. If you've never had freshly ground burgers, it's a game changer. We're cooking burgers on a flat top or in a skillet. In this case, we're going down with the old cast iron skillet. And so you're basically searing these burgers in a pan.
And now from JD Prince, exclusive, once in a lifetime offer. Scissors. You can cut bacon. Scissors. Basil. Scissors. And pesky whole roasted chickens. What can't you do with scissors? Scissors. Not recommended for Rochambeau.
Scissors, huh? Who knew they could be that exciting? Shout out to JB Prince for always providing us with the amazing cookware in the kitchen, keeping me well tooled. So we've got our beef. I've got a little deli container. This one is a half a pint. I use this as my burger fork. Break out my scale. For me, the perfect patty, if you're making a single, is 5 ounces. This is what we call meat to bread ratio. You don't want too much meat. We just form it inside this container, and I make myself a little patty press. But some people like a loose packed burger so that when you bite into it, it kind of crumbles in a good way. I like a really hard sear. I want that real nice crust. So Jose, show us some pickles.
If you want something good to eat, homemade pickles cannot be beat. Pickle people are just a treat to satisfy your craving. Sometimes salty and sometimes sweet, sometimes crunchy and packed with heat. Makes you say, oh golly gee, these pickles are amazing.
Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack. Yum, yum.
here's my pickles. Let's try these suckers first. Man, these things are delicious. Super delicious. Pickle recipe below. So real quick, I want to show you guys the fries. On the technique, what you're doing is you're washing your potatoes well, you're scrubbing the skins. Next, what you do is you go ahead and cut your potatoes into fresh water. And what it starts to do, it converts to sugar. What does sugar do when you fry it is it browns quickly. Then we have cut fries, and we do a double fry. You drop your potatoes in a lower temperature oil. We start off with low oil from 275 Fahrenheit to about 325 on the high end. And again, all that steam's coming off. You're replacing the water content inside of the potato with fat. Hey, how about them French fries, huh? Oh my God, what are you doing to me, my little potato? So this is a blanched fry. It's already been cooked once, so it's been softened. Time to go down to Fry Town. Hot oil, blanched fries, here we go. So you can see and you can hear that they're doing their thing. You want to move them all around and shake it about. You want to move them all around and shake them about. You want to move them all around and shake it about so that they cook evenly. The second fry, you go higher. It's about 375. When the fries go in, remember your temperature's going to go down to about 350. That's kind of where you want to fry. I'm going to start pulling them out. You're going to see how crispy these bad boys are. They're a beautiful golden brown color. 1, 2, 3, just like that. You too can make fries. So we just pull them out to drain them really, really well. What you want to do is put your fries into a bowl and you just hit them with a dusting. Makes for super delicious, crunchy French fries. Cheeseburger General's here. How to season and sear a delicious burger. I've got my hot pan and I've got my beautiful burger patties here and they're waiting to be seasoned. This is Diamond Crystal here. Kosher salt. As you can see, it's quite a fair amount of salt because salt makes things super delicious. So both sides, right? In the well-seasoned pan we go with our bun just to get a little toast on it. But toasting your bun, it sort of seals in the surface. You want it golden brown. So this bad boy is nice and we'll pull it out. The pan is rip-roaringly hot. So there we go, we're up to temp. We're adding our patties. Nice hot pan, we're smoking it out. And now, whatever you can do to add weight to this, to get a good, hard, even sear. And let's make this sauce real quick so I can super simple, spicy mayo while your burger's cooking. I'm a Duke's guy. We got the old sriracha. And then you're just doing it to taste. And that's the color that I'm looking for. Add some good mayonnaise. So back to the burgers, I went ahead and pulled off. Put a little paper, and it's gonna help steam it, because I like my burger medium rare to medium. Time to flip. So we're gonna go in carefully. Now you wanna flip away from you. And look at that sear. Huh? Now is the time that you go ahead and cheese your burger because I am the Cheeseburger General. This is a bigger square of cheddar. You can see it's melting almost instantaneously. Bottom bun gets sauce. You just put a good spoonful and the juices start to ooze out into the sauce. No soggy buns, hun. What's that you say? We forgot our pickles. Or did we? I like to do pickles on top of the patty. I'm gonna take you out on the outro. Hitting the old bun. I mean, it's just that simple, guys. And that's it, guys. That's the Cheeseburger General. Look at that bad boy, huh? And a little sauce. I appreciate everybody for hanging out. Go make yourself some cheeseburgers. Hit me on social media.
Yeah. You now rocking with the chef. Bullfrog. Ha ha. It's Wednesday, you know what that means. Here we go with the weekly edition. Bullfrog chefing up the skills in the kitchen. Yeah, you know, wrote the recipe. Magnificent dishes and different delicacies. Pizza, donut, burger, fried chicken, and fried rice. Firm with the pro, Jeremiah, the guy's nice. Here, show you how to do it in no time. We about to get it cooking, get ready to go live.
Hey! Shout out to Daron Lev in Brooklyn for putting together that little freestyle on burgers. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed that. I put a link to him below so you can download his album, support local artists. Shout out to each and every one of you for tuning in. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.